Assalamu alaikum girls, how are you all? Hope you have enjoyed your Eid. This is Sadra Hassan and I'm here again with word problems. But this time I'm not telling you about word problem of addition and subtraction. This is a new topic and we are covering word problem for multiplication. So how can we solve the word problem? As I have told you, so I will tell you again. We will apply cubes method while we are doing word problem. That is what that we will circle the numbers, underline the last line, box the keywords and then evaluate and then solve. Okay. So as I have told you that there are some keywords for addition and subtraction, there are also some keywords for multiplication. So I'm going to tell you these keywords. Product, total, multiply, double means multiply by 2, twice multiply by 2, thrice means multiply by 3, triple means multiply by 3, quadruple means multiply by 4. So these are actually the keywords which shows that we will do multiplication. Sometimes total and sometimes all together also come. Sometimes total come. Sometimes in all comes. Sometimes it indicates that multiplication will be done. So how can you know this thing? You will evaluate it while reading all the question, right? So I'm going to tell you an example. This is the example of your book. It is written on the page number 117 on your workbook. It has actually two-step word problem. I'm also telling you that I will also tell you that we have some one-step word problem also in the multiplication, right? But I am telling you an example of two-step word problem that how to do the two-step word problem. Salma had 3 times as many comic books as Nadeem. If Nadeem has 397 comic books, so here if Nadeem has 397 comic books, how many comic books did both of them all together? So have you seen that they are asking two things? First of all, circle the number 3 and times box it. What is it? Times means, okay girls, so times means that we will multiply by 3. Times means that we will do multiply, and as it is written 3 times, so we will multiply it by 3. Okay. Now as many comic book as Nadeem means Nadeem. If Nadeem has 397 comic books, so Salma has how many? How can we calculate the Salma's comic book? We know that Salim has 397 comic books and Salma has 3 times more. So we will multiply 397 multiply by 3 and we will get we will get the amount that how much Salma had. Now how many comic books did they have both of them all together? So they are asking next question that you have to tell the total of the comic books that Salma and Nadeem have. But we know that Nadeem has 397 comic books, and we know that Salma has 397 multiplied by 3 comic books. So here what you have to do, that while doing solution you have to make a heading of solution, make a working column. Here you have to do all the work in the working column, and the neat work or only answer will be written in the fair work, right? In this column, right? And answer statement also you have to write here. So Salma had 397 multiplied by 3. So here have you seen that I have calculated 7 into 3 and then it is 21 and 9 3 so 27. So 27 and 2 plus karke 9 and 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9 and I will add carry 9 10 11. So it will be 1191 1191 books Salma has. Now altogether they have 397 plus 1191 1191. It will be 1588. And here you have seen that I have done the working in the rough column and the working column. 7 1 8 9 and 9 18. 1 will be carry, 3 1 4 and 1 5. And 1 will come here. And have you seen that I have put all the numbers in their places? I have advanced, tens, 100, 1000, ones, tens, 100, right? If you will not write correctly, you will get the wrong answer. And in the end, I have written the answer statement. They both have 1588 books altogether. And where I have from where I have written this answer statement, from the last line. How many comics books did they have? Both of them or have altogether? They have 1588 books altogether. Okay. So hope you have understand. Girls, you have to do work like this. You have to make the working column. Plus, girls, you all have to remember, learn by heart all the tables up to 10. Okay? Okay, wish you good luck. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.